LinkedIn channel to 272,000, 14 months. X to 170,000, 10 months. Instagram to 710,000, 11 months. And here's today. This is the audience.
He earned $12 million from 1.8 million followers. You might be asking where I got this $12 million from. According to the stats of our students, every visitor equals $6.71. 1.8 million times $6.71 equals $12 million from the results of our students. Let's go and check how he did it in 5 steps. In the 6th step, I will show you a $500 plus commission using a 99% done for you system. Step number 1.
I know because that's exactly how I started it. With no clue how to do any of this, zero ad spend, just an internet connection and a keyboard. This is what we call level 1 of building your audience.
I recommend you take notes, because this man knows what he's talking about.
And there are 3 key moves you must make when you're starting out from nothing. First, you need to pick one channel to grow on. The biggest mistake I see people make.
So step number 1, pick one channel. Can be Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. But don't worry, we do the opposite in step number 6 and without any extra effort. Let's go to step number 2.
If you're just getting started. Next, after you pick your first channel, pick one topic. When you're on your way to your first 1,000 followers, you want to become known for one thing.
Build your authority in one topic. Become the go-to person. For example, my niche is affiliate marketing, digital product creation. Step number 3.
Things that can help you discover that. First, find role models. Imitate before you innovate. You need someone who already has figured out what works on your platform.
We call this modeling. At the beginning, absolutely don't try to reinvent the wheel. Just model and start getting results fast. Step number 4.
And once you soar past 1,000, you can start to increase your speed by using the following tactics. First, develop your content template. If getting to level 1 is all about picking a topic and posting consistently, level 2 is about how you post. This is when you get skilled at the art of
building your own content template and posting template allows you to repeat the same thing over and over, making the whole thing easy. Step number 5.
Founders just like you. Step 2 to blow up with zero budget is to establish a posting cadence. Consistency is key. Put in the reps, and if you are consistent, good things happen.
This step should have been earlier, but here we are. Consistency. Consistency builds trust among your audience. They keep following you and drive more and more followers. That's it. Now we use this exact same formula without doing any manual work. What we use is AI for every single step. We learn fast and become authority of the topic. For example, we were able to analyze this video and learn everything what's taught in this video in just a couple of minutes using AI. Then we are able to make our own short form content, and without wasting time or without any extra work, we publish the same content in all platforms. Social media send traffic to our AI powered automated sales funnel. This funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the best part, for which our students love our program the most, is that it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to our free case study.